The pin configuration in all Raspberry Pis are same. It can be used for the pin-to-pin compatibility. The basic change are with the layout and the connection configurations. Like in Raspberry Pi 0W, here we have mini HDMI, one USB slot, and another one is the USB power in. You need to connect the USB hub to integrate USB peripherals, any type of HID device, but you can also use Ethernet adapters, whatever you want, but you need to power it by this one connector is for the power in, another one is for USB. This board is not that much sufficient for the heavy applications, so if you are trying to develop anything which is going to have a lot of complexity in the program, so it is not that much sufficient. And these boards are not for the 24 hours use. You can have it for the normal applications, but this board, the Raspberry Pi 3 Model A Plus, this is same to the Raspberry Pi Model 3B Plus. The only change is the USB connectors and the BOE. In this A Plus board, they did not provide the power over Ethernet interface over here, but on this board, as you can see, you have power over Ethernet port over here. All other things are same. The Ethernet port is missing, but you have one USB port. If you want to connect to the USB hub, you can integrate it easily. But another thing that is the RAM is being changed in this board. It is only having 512 MB RAM, but on this board you have 1 GB RAM. On the other hand, the Model B, Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, there are several changes over there, like there is no power over Ethernet functionality, although the antennas for the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi is being changed. As you can see, they used this ceramic antenna over here, but in this boards they have a complete built-in chip for the antennas. Although the power circuitry is being changed, and the power circuits for these two boards are not that much similar. If you can see, the buck conversions are not that much reliable as compared to the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. So 3B Plus boards are more reliable, more efficient for the heavy applications. If you want to do any type of cloud work, you can do on it. You can do any type of home automations. You can do any type of industrial applications on it. So this is quite reliable and good board. So this is the short review I have for the Raspberry Pi boards. If you like this video, kindly comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.